In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a slider in Webflow. First, let's get into your project. Open your browser and log into your Webflow account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Webflow dashboard where you can see all of your projects. Find the site you're currently working on, then hover your mouse over its thumbnail. When you see the option to open the project, click Open in Webflow. This will take you straight into the Webflow Designer, where you can edit the layout and content of your site. Now that you're inside the editor, we're going to add the actual slider element. On your keyboard, press the letter A. This is a shortcut that opens the Add panel on the left side of the screen, which contains all the elements you can drop onto your page. In the search bar at the top of that panel, type slider. You'll see the slider element appear in the results. Click it, then drag and drop it into the section of your page where you want your slider to live. You can place it inside an existing section or container, depending on your layout. With the slider element now on your page, make sure it's selected. Look to the right side of the screen and confirm you're on the Style tab in the panel. This is where you'll control the visual appearance of the slider. Scroll down until you find the Background section. Under Backgrounds, you'll see an area labeled Image and Gradient. On the right side of that row, click the small plus icon to add a new background. A set of options will appear. From the drop-down within the Image and Gradient settings, click Choose Image. When you do this, your Assets panel will open on the left side. Here you can pick any image or graphic you've already uploaded. If the image you want isn't there yet, look towards the top of the Assets panel for the Upload icon. Then click it to upload a file from your computer. Once the upload finishes, select that image. You should now see it appear as the background of your current slide in the slider. To add another image to the next slide, look at your slider navigation inside the canvas and click the control that moves you to the next slide. With that new slide active, repeat the same steps. In the Style tab, go to Backgrounds, click the plus icon in Image and Gradient, choose an image and select it from your assets. Continue this process for as many slides as you need. Finally, while your main slider element is selected, you can adjust additional settings in the right-hand panel. This is where you can tweak spacing, sizing, alignment, and other styling to make sure your slider matches the rest of your design and looks great on your site.